What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is "A Fight at the Hair Salon Brings the Cops." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
On July 30th, 2024, officers responded to a call about a disturbance at a hair salon.
What's up?
I'm gonna let her talk to you.
You guys are two fighting?
No, the other girl's inside. I separated them. I on the side.
Okay.
Okay. Let me talk to you over here. Hi.
Hi.
Give me my ID.
Yeah, what's going on?
I'm the one that's in the situation with the hair stylist.
Okay, what's going on?
So I paid her $225 Friday. I know y'all can't give me no money back, but I paid her $225 on Friday. I come from Miami. I drove up here today because we rescheduled. I was supposed to come yesterday. I rescheduled with her. She said come today at 4. I've been here since 4 o'clock. As I'm driving up here, she's like, can we reschedule until 5:30? But I'm like, hey, I'm already on the way. She's like, okay, well, I'll be done around 5:30. So I said, okay, that's fine. I'll wait. And she's been sitting here for 3 hours. The issue escalated when the hair wasn't the right color. So come to find out, the hair that I purchased, it wasn't dyed to my actual hair color. It's black. So I'm looking at her like, hey, like I have to drive an hour back to Miami. Like, clearly this is not going to happen today. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, can I just please get my refund so I can go about my day, and I got to figure out what I got to do because I have work to go to later on. She basically told me, no, I'm not giving you a refund because I bought 2. I sure did because she ran up to me. So I was defending myself. I'm not a liar. She ran up to me, tried to grab me, and I punched her in her shit. Don't run up to me. I don't even know what you have in your hand. So I did smack her. I broke my phone with it, but I'm not going to lie to you. I did.
Tell me what your side of the story.
What had happened was... Sorry, one second. I'm sorry that. Thank you. She booked a service. She has to pay half of the money for her service.
Are you the employee or the...
I was doing her hair, yes. Now she calling y'all talking about I do drugs and I'm off pills or something. No, I do absolutely none of that. I'm a military brat. Like, come on, be for real. And a mother. She mad. She's right. So that's basically what happened. They were all here. They all witnessed it. Do you see my face?
Hey, can you...
Because you a mother means you don't do drugs? What?
Can you tell me the story, please?
I said, do you want to come back tomorrow? I'm going to repurchase the bundles for you and I'm going to diet. I'm not going to have an assistant diet. I'm going to dye the hair properly. She starts to get all aggressive and screaming and shit. All this extra stuff when I was just trying to solve her problem. I can't offer her a refund on something she purchased already. You can go ask them. She came up to me, tried to grab me, and I hit her in her shit. Because she went inside her suite, came out, and tried to approach me like, why are you, I don't even know what you have in your hand. There's scissors in there. There's all kinds of this. My first time meeting you. I don't know who you are. So imagine somebody going somewhere, coming back and coming up to you. You're going to feel threatened, especially if you're already arguing with somebody. So I defended myself. I hit her one time. She backed up and left me alone. I said, call the cops.
Okay.
She took my bag, and I tried to reach for my passport, and she punched me in my face, and I have all of it on surveillance.
Okay, let's go look at that. This way.
Excuse me, sir?
This way. Can you stop talking to them and just show me the camera, please?
Yeah, because the truth gonna come out on that camera. The one lady saying that she rocked her shit, you feel me? But she came up to her first. What she's saying, she's saying that, you know, whatever. But that camera, for some reason, I got a feeling that camera might not be, you know, might be in favor of the other chick that was actually getting her hair done. Because when the cop asked about, yo, let's go see the camera, she want to come and start hooting and hollering over here. Nah, let's get to that camera. That camera don't lie.
Come on, focus. Let's go. Focus. I don't care about her right now.
I'm just saying, love, you're making it worse for you. Yeah, I'm not supposed to show them something I have no clue. The cameras are right here.
Okay, can you show me what you're talking about?
I cannot show you what's the camera.
Yes. Yeah. Please.
They want to see the camera.
I'm trying to help you, and you
No,
just keep
you're
diverting to
not.
other
My face
people.
hurts.
Do you want EMS? You want medical to come talk to you?
Gosh, yes, I need to file a lawsuit. The bitch hit me in my face. You want to see the camera?
Yes, please.
My phone broke. I'm literally up here by myself. Looking crazy.
I got you. How old are you, ma'am? 19 years old.
Excuse me, see, I have ID on you?
She ripped it up.
She ripped it up?
Yep.
Okay, you have any other form of identification?
No, I'm a credit card instead.
That's fine. Let me grab your.
You can have a seat. There's no picture on the credit card. Just give him your name, that's all.
So why'd you come all the way from Miami to
Because mutual friends.
recommended her?
Yes. And it was crazy because when I sat here and I'm sitting here for like 2 hours, literally sitting here, I'm like, hey, when are you done? X, Y, and Z. Like, literally a text message. She's like, oh, the girl changed her hair. The girl that walks out is my friend. And I was like, oh, you lucky you're my friend, because she drove from Miami. So as I'm messaging her, she was like, girl, the hair I have in my head, it's already falling. I don't like it. She's like, the hair is basically like store package hair. And she already told me that. I'm thinking
You're getting extensions sewn in?
I'm getting extensions sewn into my head. So she was telling me already, like, her hair is trash.
You have like natural straight hair too.
Yeah, well, currently she blow dried it out. So as she's telling me this, she was like basically saying,
What is black stuff?
it's like a cap.
It's a cap?
So our hair doesn't get ruined. I wish I could show you. My friend literally just left. She literally said her comment. She was talking shit about me. She literally said, I hope this bitch don't have me here all day, referring to me. I'm like, girl, I'm here because of you.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna let my phone.
Man, that one in the brown was good, boy.
I don't have my phone. They're looking at the cameras on the phone.
Is there cameras in the room?
No.
No. Where did it happen?
Right here.
She hit her right here?
Yeah.
Because she walks out with the purse. So the purse taking happened back here somewhere.
Oh yeah.
But where did she physically get hit at? Was it out here or in there?
Right here.
Hi. Girl.
Oh, okay.
Did you see my message? My phone is broken. That's my friend.
Oh,
I had to hit this girl in the face.
why?
Cause my hair's not even my hair color, girl. She's talking about she's gonna go to the store, buy real brand store bought hair to put in my head.
Yeah, I'm coming for her because I need
Hello?
or something on this.
You can go in there if you want.
Mom,
No, seriously.
my phone broke.
Are you good though?
Yeah, I'm great.
This door's open.
Is she in there?
Yeah, she's in there. Now the other girl that came before, now she wants a refund.
That's
And I didn't even, that's crazy. Hello? Yeah, I'm with the police. There's like 7 of them.
Tell me the truth.
Are you here for her?
Yeah.
Oh.
Maybe I not call, but you have any mental conditions or impairment that needs her for your
What the fuck? What city is this? Yo, what? Oh, they from Miami. Oh, yeah. Miami lit. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, that explains it. Yeah, I've been to Miami a few times. Yeah. Cause I'm like, damn, they got some baddies in here. This one, the other one, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, golly. But okay. They come from Miami. All right, it explains it.
Are you serious?
You want a refund?
sworn statement
For what?
oath shall be guilty of assisting service such rape and punishable by imprisonment.
Okay. You can wait for me outside. I'll come.
So,
Is this?
and you don't want to tell me what happened.
What is going on?
Do you see this? Yeah, your shit looks crazy. Right? Girl, look at me. How am I supposed to go to work?
No, she
I was calling you from one of the other clients' phone because my phone's broken. But I'm gonna call you when I figure all this out. I just wanted to let you know I'm okay.
Can you make sure before they lock up I can speak with them? Yeah. Thank you.
I don't think they're gonna lock up anytime soon.
No, I'm saying the girls because like
Yeah, I got you.
This
Yeah,
is
because the EMS is gonna come look at her face. So
Yeah.
So, she came for an appointment. Her hair is supposed to be dyed.
Yes, and she paid for half of her service, which included her bundles.
I sit in church, she's braiding me down, and then she comes to me. You know how like somebody's trying to say something without saying it? She was like, yeah, so like, oh, today was a long day. I had to fire my assistant because
Yeah, but I'm sorry though. You paid half, which includes the bundles, but you brought the wrong shit though. How is that her fault?
she dyed the hair wrong. Like, you know, she was kind of trying to tell me right then and there that like, see, she's a liar. She was like, I had an assistant, she dyed the hair wrong, so I had to re-dye it over again. This is my second time dyeing the hair over again.
And then she just like starts going crazy. I called the
What do you mean by going crazy? Like yelling at you, cursing at you?
Yeah, she's yelling, she's threatening me. And then
What kind of threats? What was she saying specifically?
like, bitch, you don't know who I am. Like, I'll kill you. You don't know who I am. And then she takes my purse, starts going through it, rips up my ID, and then she punches me when I tried to get my ID back.
Where was your purse located?
My purse is in the room on the chair.
As soon as she asked me about it, I said, you know what, no, boo, it's fine. I said, can I just please have my refund buck so I can drive back home, which is an hour away.
He's here.
And you know what I'm saying? She's talking about, oh, I don't give refunds.
Is that what you're talking about? Is that where she hits you?
No, she didn't hit me there. She straight up hit me over here. You have to keep watching.
I swear. I don't want to go through this whole way. I'm going to fix it and my refund.
If it makes you feel better, it doesn't look bad to a guy's eye. I don't know the difference, but I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Just saying.
Hey, my guy. Hey, my guy right here. He trying to listen. Our guy right here, he trying to work the situation. You feel me? He know a baddie when he see one. You know what I'm saying? This is a slim thick right here. This is a little, but she right. She right. Okay.
You're not going nowhere at a flight. We can fix it. You're getting your refund. Okay, so
I'm not getting my refund. That's why it escalates to this.
Punched you? Yeah. Which eye? Your left eye?
Right there.
You want to go to the hospital?
No thanks.
Man, let's
Okay.
see
You want us
let's
to
see
check
that
you out or
camera.
anything? You want an ice pack?
Yeah.
Trying to get a fade now.
Trying to get fade. I'm gonna do fades here, bro.
One in the brown looks feisty, boy.
This phone. Alright, so I need the video from.
Oh, join us. Join us. Yeah.
So.
Did you see it?
Huh?
Did you see it?
Yeah, it happens right here. So that, and then.
Yeah, but she approached her
It
though.
happens again.
There's nothing wrong with her either. I'm just so sorry.
For me to determine out.
Right.
So what happens?
Turn back around. Right here? That's it?
Hold on, that happens right here.
Oh, yeah.
That's my color. Okay, so look. See this color? That's this color.
Right here.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, she in the wrong.
So I don't know. Can you like save the clips of?
Yeah, she in the wrong. Yeah, she gonna get locked up. Facts. Cause you took her property and she trying to get her property back. That's why she stepped to you. Yeah, she going to jail.
Videos and then send it to me, or how does this?
No, I think you have to screen record it.
I was on live recording her when she walked up to me.
That's good. Yeah.
Literally, I was like this. The bitch walked up to me. I got scared. I'm like, girl, you just left the suite. What are you walking up to me with? I don't know. You know these hairstylists are crazy.
All right, stop screen recording.
Chris, y'all good? Okay.
Thank you, buddy.
All right. Do you have any other statements that you want to provide for us pertaining to this incident? No, I want to press charges for her putting her hands on me and disrupting my property.
Yes, ma'am. We understand that. Okay.
Can I just disclaimer? I'm a sexy bitch, okay?
and we are.
This is not sexy. I'm like, we can tell.
This is
I just have to put that out there because,
Hold on.
brother,
Look at this.
you look fine. Hold
No, I don't.
I need like a Thug's Life glasses. Y'all know the meme, the Thug's Life with the Drop the Dre beat?
I'm very familiar with it.
Yes, that's what I look like. I just think they're awesome.
Body
'Cause this
can't
is
watch
insane.
with the edit. That's
should I
fire.
take this out and just do
I don't know, Fred. I don't want to get stressed for you.
You gonna be sexy in the county.
Honey, I'm about to go to LA and try to be outside and grab me a husband.
Why are you gonna take your hair out?
Because this crap looks like crap.
Oh
It's
my
not supposed to look
Let
like
me show you what I look like.
Cute.
Because this is not it.
It's too hot.
Girl, she said hair included, so you wouldn't even know.
I know she smelled good, boy.
I'm so sorry, but I'm glad that I'm here to see this because I would never be.
And I'm so happy that you're here because she wasn't answering the phone. I'm like, no. Like,
Oh, and you pulled up out of nowhere.
I just pulled out of nowhere to get a refund.
Oh, she was already.
I literally was around the corner of my bag to get my nails done.
I really thought she pulled up because she saw my live and was a concerned friend, but this bitch just wanted money back.
I am concerned. I pulled up
She
for
said,
a
I want a
reason.
refund.
I'm not leaving until you and me both are happy. This is my real name.
Your mom was calling.
So
She's probably very concerned.
But it doesn't look bad though sometimes. It's like you're making it seem worse than it really is.
But it is though.
It's
For a girl who gets her hair done. That's all.
He's over by the car. Everybody come here, go.
She needs shorter eyelashes. Them eyelashes is way too long.
Right.
I don't know why girls do that. Long eyelashes?
No, I'm.
Oh, Going to jail.
Tell my mom. No, Kay. I never been arrested, bro. This is so crazy. My real hair looks like this. A natural little bob.
Oh, nice.
You know, this looks like. I just.
Yeah. She said here, she's getting arrested.
Oh, she
She
is.
said this look like she just got
Hey, you want her number? You know? Yeah, I need her number.
Just sit her in there for now. So we can tell Sarge what we have, so we can see if robbery gonna come out.
We called your mom. She said she's gonna come and get your car. And,
Somebody in the car?
No.
Oh, that's a reflection. I'm like, what? I never seen inside of a police car.
Me either.
Is the seats hard for real? What the? I'm so sorry,
I'm
girl.
crying because I don't want my hair messed up.
I know. Me too.
I don't care about going to jail. I want to look crazy. My mugshot.
You gonna be out tomorrow? It's only
What the hell? What the hell, Leonte? She said she crying because her mugshot gonna look messed up. Oh yeah, she cooked, boy. Cooked. She got an attitude problem. You know what I'm saying? She cute, but she got an attitude problem. Taking her passport, this, that, and the third. Come on, you can't. Come on. Yeah. So, lady tried to get her stuff back, and then that's why she got popped. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you can't just be going around taking people's stuff, man. Cops did a pretty good job investigating everything. You know what I'm saying? So I'm giving them a 4 out of 5. They did. You know, that camera never gonna lie, man. One person gonna say this, one person gonna say this. But if they got that footage, oh yeah, let's see that footage, boy, because that's gonna say everything, you know. So yeah, they did a pretty good job. Let me know in the comment section how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.